what have you learned about yourself?
That I can have perseverance and that I can be flexible and change, and that there's a lot to learn in paying attention to other people in relation to how I'm being.
That's such an interesting reflection.
Yeah.
And how do you think that's going to make you a better leader and able to overcome obstacles at work?
I think it's going to make me clearer, so people won't be confused by what I say and what I look like and what I do is more
Coherent,
yeah.
congruent. Yeah, that's a great word. And what would you say to people thinking about doing this program?
Absolutely do it.
Why?
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's an amazing opportunity. Like, how often do you get to do this? Like, it's like putting yourself out there. It's a massive challenge, and so much. It's just amazing to be with the horses.
And what would you say to them about what they might learn about themselves?
Well, I think I don't know. For me, it showed me what I kind of knew, like what other people have said. But come on, thank you guys. Yeah, just the things that other people have said about me, and that I felt like I haven't got the result that I wanted.
That's interesting. So
Yeah.
do you think the horses reveal truths?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, the same things, like me getting flustered or in a flat, not being clear, was really apparent with the horse. And when I saw myself on the video, I could say, oh yeah, there I am, not being clear, flapping around, not giving clear signals. And I think I've made a lot of excuses for it because I have some ideas about why that might be the case, but it doesn't mean I can't change it.
That's really interesting.
Yeah.
So to sum up, what would you say to somebody thinking, well, shall I do the program or not?
Just do it. Grab it, do it. It can be life-changing. Yeah.